Hi, good day guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's home entertainment within South Africa. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at the ins and outs of the LG OLED C4. I've spent the entire 2024 with this TV, so I know the tips and tricks so that you guys can learn more about it. So if you already own the C4, then this video is for you. But if you're looking to purchase the LG OLED C4 just before the C5 launches, then this video is also for you. So without wasting further more time, let's get straight into this one. So, did you know you can actually play your favorite games on an LG TV screen without needing a PC or console? Simply head over to the Games Quick card and then over to the controller icon. Connect your Xbox controller or PlayStation 5 controller, and I'll leave a list of controllers that are compatible to the LG TV screen, and download the application called Nvidia Geforce Now. Nvidia Geforce Now is a cloud gaming app that allows you to use your LG TV screen to connect to a PC that's in the server using your internet. In the Geforce Now, you can connect your accounts like Ubisoft, Epic Games, Steam, and as well as PC Game Pass, and any of the games that you do own will get synced to Geforce Now, and you can play games without having to download or install any of these games on the LG TV screen. It's sort of just streaming the game content. So I've launched into Fortnite right over here, and you can pretty much see that the gaming experience that I'll get out of this is very smooth. If I click jump, it's almost instant. It's as if there is a console or PC plugged directly into the LG TV screen. So I'll show you guys the gameplay, and we can move on to the next tips and tricks on the LG TV. So the nice thing about Geforce Now and LG OLED TV screens is that LG OLED is certified Nvidia G-Sync. And if you guys remember, in 2024, they did announce the compatibility of Nvidia G-Sync working with Geforce Now. So that came in, very awesome feature that we have coming out from LG. So I've got a couple weapons. Let's go find some people. Easy kill. So guys, the gameplay is pretty awesome. It's pretty smooth. So the second thing we're going to talk about is the hands-free voice recognition. You want to go to all settings, general, AI service, voice recognition settings, and then enable hands-free voice control. The nice thing about hands-free voice control is you can also use voice ID. Now, voice ID is essentially recognizing who is speaking to the TV. Because LG TVs do allow up to 10 profiles, you can register each profile to each user within the household. Now, why this becomes such a good feature is if your partner or son or anyone was using the TV and you ask the TV to log in to see your team's schedule or to open Netflix, it recognizes your voice, logs into your profile, and then follow ups with the command prompt. So very important feature right over there, and you can simply just follow all the instructions on the LG TV screen on how to go through the register your voice ID. Show me my pictures on the TV. Turn off the TV after 30 minutes. So now that you've gone through the 6 sort of phrases that the LG TV asks you to do, you click done, and now you have voice ID registered to this TV. Look how cool this is. I'm not going to use the magic remote. Hi LG, switch off a TV.
Okay, I'll turn off the TV.
There we go, guys. Hands-free voice recognition. So when it comes down to multitasking on an LG TV screen, it becomes possible with the multi-view feature found in the quick settings menu. There's 2 versions to it, dual screen or dual PC monitor. I'll talk about dual PC monitor first because that's more interesting. Dual PC monitor allows you to use two HDMIs split down the middle. So you can use HDMI 2 and HDMI 3, and you can then split the screen into two options. So this means you can have an Xbox and a PlayStation connected at the same time. You can have a decoder and as well as a computer plugged in. You can be using two PCs at the same time. The variance behind it is so awesome. And when it comes down to selecting what sound you want output from, you'll have to manually choose exactly which one it is going to be. So that is a dual PC monitor. But if you go into the first one will either give you a picture-in-picture or a side-by-side option. So we can go into browser and YouTube. This is a side-by-side option. If you want to change it into a picture-in-picture option, you just go over here to the three dots. Then change view type, picture-in-picture. And there you go. You got browser, large screen, and YouTube, smaller screen. And that's how you use the multi-view functionality. The Magic Remote is great for its features, but it only has Netflix, Disney Plus, and Prime Video has shortcut keys. What about the YouTube, the browser, or maybe even to use Nvidia Geforce Now as a shortcut? Well, it is possible. Simply hold down the 0 button on the Magic Remote, and the quick access menu will open to the right. You want to click the number that you want to customize on the Magic Remote. So if I click 1, I'm customizing number 1. Let's go ahead and add YouTube. So if I'm in my browser and I want to go directly to YouTube, I don't need to go to the home screen. I just simply hold the 1 and it takes me to YouTube. That is the quick access menu. Okay, so this is for those who work from home. The Home Office quick card that is on the LG TV screen is essentially allowing you to work on a larger screen. How so? By connecting a Bluetooth keyboard and a Bluetooth mouse. You can use two Bluetooth devices on an LG OLED because it uses Bluetooth 5 version. That means you can then access your different emails, your calendars, your drives, and as well as Microsoft 365 for Power presentations, Excel, and Word, etc. But my favorite thing about Home Office is the remote PC. Essentially, it allows you to work remotely by accessing your PC, laptop, or even a MacBook. I have a full tutorial on how to do this, and I'll leave a card pinned to the top of this video. So if you guys want to see how it's done, simply click that. So are you tired of having a black screen when your TV is off? Well, the Always Ready is there to combat that. Always Ready is essentially a feature that when you switch off your TV, it can go into a sound palette, it can go into Moments. Moments is an amazing feature that allows you to add photos through Google Photos, a USB drive, or the LG ThinQ app. So you can add your favorite moments with your family or friends and just have it as a theme on the LG TV screen. Or if it's movements, you can have built-in animated themes that is available on the LG TV, or art pieces that come through as well, and you can download additional masterpieces onto the LG TV screen. So that is what Always Ready is all about. If you click the mute button 3 times, you can get details about your LG TV screen. So you can get your model number, serial number, what platform it's using, and the software version. And this is where you can also turn off the LG logo. So when you switch off the LG TV, there isn't a LG logo that appears. If you want to reduce the jargon that is on the home screen, such as recommended content or even ads that will appear on the home banner, simply go to Settings, All Settings, General, System, Additional Settings, Home Settings, and you can turn off Home Promotion and Content Recommendation. And now you have one single home screen that doesn't have too much information on it. If you are using an HDMI source and you're hardly going into the home screen, and when you switch off and on the TV and you want to go back to the HDMI source automatically, well, you can go over to Settings, All Settings, General, System, Additional Settings, Home Settings, Power on Screen, Recent Input. And that will allow you to have your TV go on into the HDMI source. If you're watching content that is available on your phone, but you don't have the application on the LG TV screen, well, you're in luck, because our Home Hub will show you that our LG TV support both AirPlay and as well as Google Chromecast built-in. So this allows you to share content onto the LG TV screen no matter the device you're using. And guess what? It isn't mirroring the content. It is casting the content up to 4K with support of both Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. If you want to see how long each app was used on a daily or weekly basis, you can simply go to your Settings, All Settings, General, Family Settings, Screen Time Report, and this will give you a usage time daily and as well as weekly. So quite fantastic right over there. Hey guys, those are all the tips and tricks and as well as the ins and outs I can give you on the LG OLED C4. If you guys did enjoy this video, a thumbs up and as well as subscribe will be highly appreciated. Did you know any of those features that I did mention? Make sure to comment down below if you want to engage with me more, or you want to give me a topic that you would like me to record a video on, and I'll definitely do so. But guys, until the next one, stay good.